My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware, which is called INT. This video is strictly for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. I'm just showing you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. I'm not promoting this ransomware, keep this in mind. I'm just showing you the danger of this ransomware and how damaging it is. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open files without complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this INT ransomware may immediately damage the files and encrypt the files, and therefore it will not be possible to use the files anymore because of this ransomware. So very soon, especially after people restart their computers, they see the negative consequences of this ransomware attack. The ransomware affects the files and adds this special INT extension to the data, and it is not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware also drops this ransom note called readme warning. In brief, the ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just lose your money for nothing. So don't pay the ransom. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable security program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official resource combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the application, and then start investigating your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching the system, and it will then give you the summary of the threats which were found during the scanning. This INT ransomware is the representative of the makeup ransomware family. Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your files from being encrypted in the future. You may click on this feature called anti-ransomware, and you may add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. So the scanning will take some time. It depends on various factors, but at the end of the scan you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations of threats on the system. I recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected.